Okay, we're going to look at subtracting polynomials. There are two methods that are useful. One is to distribute the minus to change the signs and then combine like terms in power order as if you were adding. So first of all, that first part of your equation, the first parentheses, they do not matter, so we can simply get rid of them. And we're going to copy down the equation the way we see it. The second one, that negative, is the parentheses are very important because it tells us where the minus sign is going to affect and how many things are being affected. So we're going to distribute it to each of the pieces, which will actually change each of their signs. So negative 5x to the fourth becomes 5x to the fourth, positive. 9 becomes negative 9x squared, and 35 becomes negative 35. Now we simply combine pieces that are the same, always in power order. So our highest power is x to the 7th, and there are nothing else in the equation. So we're going to copy that one down and then strike it out as if we're done. All right, our next highest power is the negative 5x to the 4th and positive 5x to the 4th. Those two add together to make 0, so they can be struck out. Then we have negative 9x squared, which has nobody, so it's just coming down. And finally, we have our constants, which is 3 plus negative 35, which ends up being negative 32. And by doing it in this order, we end up with our answer in the order it should be entered into any assignment or just good grammar. The second way that we can do it is we can align the power in power order and then as a subtraction problem, like 2 minus 3 top to bottom, we're going to do it vertically. So we're going to have 6x cubed. We're actually going to rewrite this in the same order, in the numeric order it should be in. So negative 9/5 x to the 5th should go first. Then we have 6x cubed, and then plus 27x squared, and then plus 11x. If you do have big skips in numbers, you may want to leave a little bit of room between, say, 9x to the 5th and 6x to the 3rd, just in case you do end up having something in the second part of the equation that would fit in between. In this case, we don't, so we don't have to worry about it. And then we're going to bring down the minus and bring down our 5x to the 5th, and I'm putting it underneath the 9x to the 5th because they match. And then I'm going to skip over to the 9 for the 9x squared and put it underneath the x squared. And now we can use our distributing to actually change our signs. So it's going to become, that's going to change to a plus, that's going to change to a plus, and this one's going to change quickly to a minus. And now we add straight down. So negative 9 plus 5 gives me negative 4x to the 5th. 6 plus 0 is just plus 6x cubed. 27 minus 9 gives me plus 18x squared. And then 11x plus 0 gives me 11x. So this makes it very simple, and it's just a matter of adding straight down.